Are you wondering what's happening with real estate prices in the Northwest Suburbs? Well, look no further. In today's video, I got the latest update for you've been waiting for. Let's dive into 9 key statistics that explain what's happening with our real estate market today. So let's cut to the chase and discover your future in Northwest Suburbs real estate market. Welcome to How is the Market in Northwest Suburbs, November 2023 edition. If you're anticipating a dip in sales prices with the arrival of the fall, I got some news for you. The most recent sold price data reveals that in October they came in at $458,000, only down about 0.5% or $2,600 compared to September. This is not a significant drop, especially when we consider past years, when we witness more pronounced market seasonality trends and the larger percentages of discounts during the home selling at the lower prices. What does this mean? Our market remains remarkably robust and sellers aren't feeling pressure to offer substantial discounts during the negotiations when they're selling their homes. Are you on a hunt for more affordable listings in this market? Well, let's talk about asking prices. While sold prices experience a minor 0.5% dip, asking prices tell a significant different story, ticking up to $462,800. This increase might seem small, just around $1,000, but typically fall season witnesses more substantial seller concessions. What does this tell us? Sellers remain incredibly confident in market strength and are holding firm on their pricing. Notably, we observe some higher price listings being withdrawn from the active market as homeowners are strategically delisting their properties up for the holiday season, with hopes of securing even higher prices in the upcoming spring market. Are you feeling perplexed about how much wiggle room you have during your next negotiations? Brace yourself for the crucial update. The sold price asking price ratio has dipped to 99%, marking a notable 1% drop from the previous month. This is the first time this ratio dropped under 100% since March of this year. What does this mean for you? I foresee the trend continue with the ratio remaining below 100% until the spring selling season. If you are open to making your move during the colder fall and winter months, now it's a prime opportunity for you to secure those negotiation discounts before the increased competition from other prospective buyers returns within the spring buying season. Have you noticed that there have been fewer homes sold this year? Let's dive into the most recent data for homes sold last month. In October, we saw 97 homes change hands, which is just one more than previous month, September. Now, it's true that our market is down by approximately 30% this year. But here's an exciting part. Buyers are still on the lookout for the perfect opportunity and homes are still selling swiftly. With the recent news of the interest rates taking a slight dip, we might just see a surge in demand for those currently listed properties. Consider all those trends before you make a decision when to enter this market. Are you in a hunt for a brand new home to call your own? Here's a crucial statistic for you. Last month, a total of 136 new listings hit the market, which is 9 fewer than previous month. With 97 homes sold and closed, this indicates an increase in inventory for eager buyers to explore. Additionally, with the sold price ratio trending down, the market is leaning in favor of the home buyers. The next 3 months might just create the most opportune condition for you to negotiate a lower price from the sellers. It's prime time to seize the moment and purchase that dream property. Are you a homeowner with thoughts about selling your home this year? Let's talk about the months of inventory. It's been hovering around 0.1 month. And while we witness slight shifts in inventory, it might take a couple more months for this ratio to climb. As it does, more homeowners might find themselves considering price reductions. While we also notice some listings have been canceled for the winter season, and those might not be coming back until the spring selling season. If you're in a fence about when to list your property for sale, whenever it's now or in the spring market, I got the answers for you. Give me a call. I'll be there to show you all the statistics and guide you towards the best decision when to list your property for sale. Are you eager to embark on your journey to a new home? Should you be concerned about the competition from other buyers? Let's talk about the number of showings, which came in an impressive 2,325 property visits, roughly 100 more than last month. This suggests that buyer demand is holding steady and people are still curious, actively seeking the perfect opportunity in this market. Now, recent news of interest rates taking a favorable dip, you might just have the chance to secure your dream home before the next surge of buyers floods the market, intensifying the competition in the spring. This might be the moment to act and seize the perfect opportunity to buy your dream home. Contemplating a sale of your house but worry about attracting enough showings? Let's delve into showings per listing, which impressively tallied up at 9.81, exceeding the numbers from the previous months. This figure is not only high but also quite unusual for this market. Traditionally, as we approach November and December, we'll see a decline in showings, with buyers taking breaks from the home visits. However, this year presents a different narrative. Homes are selling quickly. If your home is in impeccable, move-in ready condition, and it showcases well online, you have a high likelihood of finding a buyer this fall. It's the market anomaly worth taking advantage of. Are you a home seller without any offers on your property in the last couple of weeks? Currently, days on the market statistics is 37 days, a rate seen for about 8 to 9 months now. This market is still active, especially for homes in the first-time buyer price range. If your listing isn't getting enough traction you hoped for, consider two potential issues. Your list price is too high for the property condition, or your home falls into the higher move-up category, which tends to sell slower due to the rate-locked buyers. By rate-locked, I mean they don't want to move from a smaller home with 3.5% interest rate to a larger, more expensive home with 7.5% interest rate. If your home sale is suffering from those two potential issues, you might need to be more proactive this year to sell your home in the fall. Don't let those factors hold you back from a successful sale this year. I hope today's episode shed some light on current marketplace. This market is confusing a lot of people right now. More than ever, it's crucial to understand not just the comparable options in your area, but also a bigger picture, including market seasonality, interest rates, and shifts in buyer demand. I'm here to sit down with each of you individually, offering guidance on your next move. If you have a spare moment, please consider subscribing to this channel for future market updates and exciting neighborhood videos showcasing the beautiful Northwest Suburbs. Let's start a conversation and chart a path to real estate success for you in the near future. Reach out, I'm here to help. Thank you for tuning in and talk to you soon.